it's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. How y'all doing? Y'all, before we jump into this video, I really want to share with you guys some more items that I had sent over to me from Ana Luisa. Thank you, Ana Luisa. These, girl, are the units. The units. Y'all, wigs on my mind. These are the pieces I got this time. This is a little pin here, and it has little diamonds on the end. I don't know if y'all can see it. And then the little hand that has a little diamond. Ignore the concealer on my hand. And guys, this little bracelet, I thought it was gonna be way too tiny, too small, but man, it fit my arm with a little room to go. It just looked real tiny. So shout out to Ana Luisa. I'll stick a little clip in somewhere along the video so you guys can get a close-up and see what the packaging looked like. Okay guys, this is how the box came to me, packaged just like this, and I have been dying to get into this unit, literally, but every time I order a wig I have to wait on you guys. And so for this one, y'all, I know I've had it for about a month. Ooh, look at the packaging. That's so cute. That is cute. I love the way this box is packaged. So I'm already seeing my money's worth. And y'all, it's secured in a foam, a wig. And make sure my baby don't get hurt in the route. Here, this box is beautiful. That packaging is everything. Everything. Okay. Let's get into it. I hope what's in the box is as beautiful as the box. Ooh, look at that! Oh my goodness, I am loving, y'all. I am floored by every step. How do I get in? You know what? I don't want to mess that up. Girl, they get an A+ for packaging. This is my first unit from HERGIVENHAIR. And it was so many great reviews on this hair. Yeah, I had to do it. I had to order it. And this is from HERGIVENHAIR Wings by, girl, I can't see that. Wings by Virgin Hair. Is that what that says? Wings by Virgin Hair? I don't know. But they done sold me on the packaging. This wig can be number love. Number love. And I still want to keep this short and quick and simple. What's in there? Oh, I didn't even see that. Did I ignore it? Yep, I thought I did. I saw this in the bottom, but I didn't pay attention. I was too ready to get to the wig out. A wig instruction book. That's what it says. But you know, we ain't gonna read the book. What does that say? When your giving hair meets her giving hair. Okay. We gonna see. But this is just it looks like an instruction book. Yeah. I don't know any of these ladies. Chica, Lavita, Tamika. I don't know none of these. Well, not that I should. But it just shows you how to install the wig. Oh, now she's a YouTuber. I've seen her videos. Okay. Oh, and Mary's in here. And this, I think it was her or, I don't remember. Oh, Dr. Nina's in here too. I watched a few videos before I decided to buy this wig. I know I was watching, I can't remember anybody's name. Oh my goodness. The Hearts and Cake. I saw her do this video on this hair. And somebody else, y'all. The girl in Houston, I just can't remember her name. But anyway, you get a silk bag to store your wig in. HERGIVENHAIR. Girl, they give you quite a bit. Quite a bit. Okay, what I have here is, I'm glad this in here because I couldn't have told y'all what I ordered. This says, it just has the order number. The product type is a 13 by 6 by 1. 16 inches. Texture is Coily 3C4A. And it says the cap size is a medium. So, let's see what the girl giving. Wings by HERGIVENHAIR is a sub-brand of HERGIVENHAIR. We was born out of the need for high quality texture hair. We share the same hair material and the same producing line with HERGIVENHAIR. Our mission is to offer you a long-lasting natural styles in a more affordable way. This wig was still kind of pricey, so I don't get that part. But anyway, let's see what we got. Let's get this net off. Yeah, I'm gonna tear it up, ain't I done tore it up. Let's see. Long as I can get it off, yeah, I just want to get to the hair, okay? Alright, I'm already seeing I'm going to have to dye her black because I like my hair jet black. And I'm probably going to wash it after the video. I don't know if y'all can see, it's got a kind of red color to it. Not red, but it's like a sandy brown. That's what it reminds me of. My youngest son, he got that color hair, but if I'm pretty sure the lights not letting you guys see it. But that texture though. I just want to wear it today. I'm not going to worry about, and probably tonight I'll wash it and shampoo it. But today I just want to put her on. Okay, this is what we're looking like on the inside of the cap. It's just a part. And then you got just minimal lace around the side. And then you have an adjustable strap. You have 2 combs in the top and 1 comb in the back. And I cannot tell y'all how much this is. You know what? I'll go back on the site and look how much I paid for it. And then I'll just put it in the bottom of the video. And it looks like the lace is already bleached. It's already bleached. Now, I don't care for that. You see that thread? You can see right there that makes it look where it looks white, but that's thread from this side. Yeah, I don't really care for that part. But hopefully it won't show up a lot. And like I said, I'm not going to do anything to it. The next time y'all see it, she going to be pretty. Right now, we're just going to pop her on and see what she look like. And I'm going to go ahead and get off camera and cut this lace off because I don't want to mess this one up. Okay, y'all? I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I got all of the lace off. I didn't want to cut it too short because the other unit I had ordered from Genius Wigs, I realized I cut a lot of the small hairs, so they were supposed to make it look natural. I cut them off because I'm like, what is this they do in the wigs? I just cut it off because I have been wearing so many synthetic wigs. Let's see. Let's just put this on, girl. Let's just put this on. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. And the fit is really nice. It's supposed to be, if I'm not mistaken, a right side part. So I might have it on sideways. Let me get my mirror. Oh, this is cute. Ah, girl. My Sephora box just came. We might have to finish this video later. Maybe I won't do this video today. Maybe I'll, girl, I'm excited. My Sephora box here. I got to do my Sephora unboxing today. Today. This is cute. You know what? I'm just going to rock this baby just like this. Today, I'm done. She cute. But I got to get up and go get my box. I can't focus right now. Y'all, Sephora calling. Finally, I'm back. I'm going to tell y'all, the Sephora sale, pathophysiology finals, and here we are 4 or 5 days later. Y'all, I still love it. I had to come back and finish this video so I could get it up. This hair is absolutely beautiful. But we're finna finish it. We're finna finish it. I'm gonna try this SB2 hair serum that I got in a BoxyCharm box. I usually use my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and that's what this feels like. So I'm going to use this and take these little twists out real quick.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Okay guys, I just may be a little more partial to the Sleek and Shine because it gets the frizz. I noticed it gets the frizz a whole lot better than the SB2. The SB2 smells nice, it feels nice, but I don't know. It looks like yeah, it does. The Sleek and Shine, it gets the frizz and it adds a little bit of a natural shine to the hair, not a wiggy like. But I just got my scalp grease shine, and I prefer that look. I'm just saying, if you were saw this in the haul, somebody asked me about this, girl. I said get the Sleek and Shine. I don't remember who it was that asked me what was the name of this, but I like the Sleek and Shine, and it's cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. I didn't want to say that because I thought I was sticking to what I know, but clearly you can see the difference. Okay, y'all, I don't want to be late. And I just wanted to get this video up, the end of it, so you guys could see this hair and what it looks like. And yeah, this is it, y'all. I hardly ever do these expensive hair, which again, this is Hergiven Hair. It's supposed to be the cheap alternative, but this is still pretty expensive. So I'm gonna continue to do those Sam's Beauty hair and unboxing. I'm just trying to pick the ones that I think you guys will like and the ones that are less expensive, because Sam Beauty sends those over. I get to choose which one, and I just do the review. You know, I don't get paid for those videos. It's just a lot of sisters out there like me, I know, that prefer to wear a wig. It's easier. Or they got hair issues like mine with them thin edges. And you don't always want to spend $300–400 every time you buy a wig. So that's why I do those videos. If y'all like them, want to keep them coming, thumbs up this video and let me know, or put a comment below. Girl, yes, keep those inexpensive units coming. And when I get some more money to spend on a wig, I'll order another one. You know, it'll definitely be from Hergiven Hair though, especially after this unit. I really like this one. I think it's one more on there I want to get, but it won't be this year. Christmas coming, y'all, and I got 14 grandbabies. So I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed, and see you soon, y'all. Bye.